Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix can't send friend request on Facebook. Sometimes, when you try to add someone on Facebook, you might not see the add friend button, and instead, you only see the follow button. This usually happens because of the other person's privacy settings, your account restrictions, or sometimes a temporary system issue. Here's how you can check and try to fix it. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the search icon at the top and search for any user you want to add. Then, tap on their profile. Here, if you only see the follow button instead of add friend, it could mean that the user has restricted who can send them friend requests. Now, go back and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Blocking and check it. Sometimes, if the person is on your block list, or if you are on theirs, you won't be able to send a friend request. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.